Hi, I'm Jake, and this is Minute Psychology. So in this video, I'll be talking about waking up at 5:30 a.m. I've been trying to do this for the past month or so, and it was pretty difficult at first trying to get up this early every single day, but it definitely did give me quite a few benefits that I think might help you as well. But if you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing and hitting that bell button for notifications. But you're probably watching this video because you might feel stressed and perhaps you have, I don't know, too much work to do, or you have this really huge to-do list that is full of uncompleted items that you can't really get to, and this is probably inevitably because you feel as if you don't have enough time throughout the day to finish all the things that you want to do. So really a pretty simple solution to this would just simply to be wake up earlier. And why this sounds like a great idea, but it is a lot more difficult if any of you have tried to wake up early. It can often leave you feeling tired, and it is quite difficult to start waking up early every single day because, like myself, you might just end up being tired. But how to really wake up early, some tips and tricks. I think one really great thing you should try to do is just simply put the phone down. Don't use your phone. It is very, very distracting. Another thing you might want to do in the morning is really try to force yourself to wake up. Only focus on waking up. As soon as you hear that alarm, don't hit snooze, just focus on waking up. The next thing you're going to probably want to do is make a routine out of it. It could be something simple like making your bed, or perhaps making a cup of coffee, or maybe tea in the morning as soon as you get up, or even something simple that I did like brushing your teeth. Now, hopefully, once you begin waking up early, you'll start noticing the many benefits of getting up early, especially very early. One benefit I noticed is that I began running every day, as well as working out. Another benefit I noticed was that I was much more productive. I got a lot of things done. And finally, I was just simply happier overall and felt more confident and awake during the day.